Philippine Navy for West Philippine Sea walang naitalang harassment mula sa mga barko ng China nitong nakaraang linggo. AFP pinabulaan na naman na binuwag na ang Task Force Davao. Si Patrick De Jesus sa detalye. Rise and shine, Patrick.
Halos lahat ng isinagawang resupply mission sa Ayungin Shoal noong nakaraang taon, nakitaan ng presensya ng mga barko ng China ayon sa Philippine Navy. Sa Ayungin Shoal nakaistasyon ng BRP Sierra Madre kung saan may nakadeploy ditong mga sundalo.
To a certain degree of certainty, almost all, if not all, had the presence of at least one Coast Guard or maritime militia.
Sa buong 2023, 28 rotation resupply mission ang naisagawa ng Philippine Navy, katuwang ang Philippine Coast Guard sa lahat ng features sa West Philippine Sea. 14 dito ay sa Ayungin Shoal. 3 ang may insidente ng pambobomba ng water cannon ng China Coast Guard. Pero sa katatapos lang na rore noong nakaraang linggo, wala umanong naging harassment o pagharang mula sa mga barko ng China.
The last resupply was conducted last week, I think Friday, Saturday. Onaisa May was there. We had the Philippine Coast Guard ship. There was the presence of Chinese Coast Guard, which did not do any illegal actions. There was a monitored maritime militia in the vicinity.
Samantala, pinabulaan na naman ng Armed Forces of the Philippines na binuwag na ang Task Force Davao. Nilinaw din ng AFP na bumisita si AFP Chief of Staff General Romeo Browner Jr. noong nakaraang linggo sa mga military camp sa Mindanao upang siyasatin ang pagresponde sa pagbaha sa maraming lugar sa Davao at lagay ng mga sundalo.
The Chief of Staff went to Davao last weekend, but his sole purpose was for 3 things. Look into the HADR, how the AFP will assist sa sakuna po na nangyayari sa Davao. Pangalawa po is yung operations po that is being conducted in Davao. And third is to look upon the welfare of the troops.
Sa gitna naman ng usapin sa politika, naninindigan ng AFP sa ilalim ng kanilang bagong battle cry na One AFP, One Philippines, Strong AFP, Strong Philippines.
The AFP Chief of Staff has been very active in engaging our units and members to convey the message of loyalty and professionalism amid recent political developments. Ang sabi nga ni Chief of Staff, sir, there is not a need to call for a loyalty check. So he gives his full support to each individual soldier that we are professional. So we are aware of our mandate to uphold the Constitution.
Patrick De Jesus para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.